Like clockwork, Bob Weber went in for his colonoscopy at age 50.
I was expecting to go in and for them to tell me that everything was clean. And it turned out that I had a 4-centimeter size colon tumor.
Stage 3 colon cancer. Bob had surgery and 6 months of chemotherapy. And now he is hearing more about the link between his job and cancer.
Working in an office/desk job, it's more sedentary than most laborer jobs, for example. It would make sense to me that that sedentary lifestyle may contribute to colon cancer.
Doctors have long known there is a connection between sitting and disease. But now a new study out of Australia says if we have a sitting job for more than 10 years, we double our risk of colon cancer.
More than 6 hours, the risk increases significantly. So if you sit straight for 6 hours without a break, this is where you're in trouble.
And Dr. Tony Bukai-Saab at the James Cancer Hospital says the risk still doubles regardless of how much exercise you get outside of work. So what can we do about it?
Do not sit continuously for more than 3 hours. Just get up, even to stretch your legs and just walk around the desk a little bit.
I get up about every hour and a half or so.
Bob's been cancer-free for 3 years and is glad he did not skip that first colonoscopy.
That had I not gotten the colonoscopy, I would not be here doing this interview with you today.